This facility represents the pinnacle of modern salt production. Let's take a closer look at the factory process that makes it all possible.
Flow rate stabilizing at 20,000 gallons per minute. Pressure holding steady on pump 3. Full load for the processing plant.
Confirmed. Everything in order, you can proceed. The extraction rate is holding steady at 50 tons per hour. Good. Keep an eye on the drum pressure. We don't want any microfractures. We're getting too much gray on line 3. Adjust the flow rate now. Copy that, adjusting flow rate.
We need to rotate the grade A salt from section 3. Okay, I'll update the system now.
Increase the hydraulic pressure slightly.
Confirmed. The flow rate is stabilizing now.
Increase the flow rate by 5%. We need to maintain consistency.
Adjusting the dial now. It should optimize the shear.
Refractometer reading is 1.198.
Optimal saturation confirmed. Logging the data now. The crystallization levels in vessel 3 are peaking.
Yes.
Yes, the heat exchange seems perfectly uniform.
We need to lower the temperature slightly to optimize the growth.
Agreed. The structure is perfect now.
Look at the delta T reading here. It's holding steady, well within optimal range. The analysis confirms perfect compliance with specifications.
Agreed. The batch is approved.
Increasing the additive rate by 5%.
Flow rate remains consistent. Good adjustment. The moisture content is within tolerance.
And the additive distribution is uniform across all metrics.
The ICP results for batch 47 are consistent.
And the particle size analysis. Everything within specification. The laser scanning confirms the composition. We are consistently exceeding the required purity standards across all parameters. The moisture content is slightly above target on batch 42.
We need to increase the dryer temperature by 5 degrees.
In 2 modes. Comprehensive food safety inspection procedures ensure that every batch of finished salt meets the strictest requirements for food.
The throughput is exceeding the target by 10%.
And the weight consistency is holding steady at 99.8.
The seal integrity is holding at 99.8%.
Good, keep the line moving.
The calibration was successful. All packages passing inspection. Confirmed. The defect detection is flawless at this speed.
High-speed automatic carton sealing machines with precision gluing and taping systems quickly seal each filled carton with perfect closures that ensure product protection.
Seal strength on this lot is optimal. Confirmed. I am updating the logs now.
Okay, bring that one in slowly. Watch the left side, clear the stack. Got it. Copy that, crane 3, bring it down slowly. We've got clearance on the starboard side. Roger, lowering the next pallet now.
Did you find everything all right today? Yes, thank you. Your salt selection is wonderful.
As the sun sets on another successful day, we hope you've enjoyed this comprehensive look at the salt manufacturing process. Goodbye for now.